Jackson through one of his courses just like this. And let me tell you, it's well worth being here.
Using the presentation I use, my closing ratio just to get the listing agreement signed is about 83%. And they tell me the industry average is 25, and the ones that are really good are around 40. So you can double or triple your closing ratio just by having a good presentation.
The presentation, I mean, he just laid it out. Clearly, love the video presentation. More of a visual guy. He didn't just talk, he showed.
This is where most people get confused when it comes to commercial real estate. This is the language I was talking about. When I'm trying to learn Portuguese, this is it. Most people can't figure out this concept, and because they can't, it's really hard to speak the right language when you're in front of a commercial client. Modified or gross modified, basically everything is covered. So the easiest way to talk about this is just using something you're familiar with, right? Everybody's familiar with principal, interest, tax, and insurance, right? What about homeowners association or condo association? We're all familiar with that, right?
I think it's a great start to get into commercial leasing for a new realtor, or even an experienced one who hasn't dealt with commercial leasing at all.
When it comes to commercial real estate with Julian Jackson, he is going to take you from step A to step Z.